Hello, scholars. Today we're going to work with the spell of sounds. I'm going to draw my big ears so I know that I'm supposed to be listening. I'll put a heart earring on that too. That's what I've got in my ears right now. Sounds. So we're going to listen very carefully to words. Mapping sounds to spelling. And you'll see they have a map there. It's a visual. We're mapping the sounds to spelling. Use the pattern words in this table to fill in the blanks. Now these are the exact same words that were on our page yesterday, so we don't have to flip back and forth. That's pretty cool. So let's read over our pattern words. You ready? I'm just going to go across. 3, agree, dreamed, squeaked, reached, speech, speak, cheetah, cheated, squealed, cleaned, meet, meet, week, week, and weekend. Excellent. So use these to fill in the blanks. Got it. All right. First it says write 2 words with the k plus w sounds. Now remember, we got our sound slashes there. So it's k, w, with the qu sound. Ah. I remember that from many, many lessons ago. That's the Q-U sound. Write 2 words with k, w, qu. So this is Q, U. So I'm going to look for Q words. 3, agree, dream, squeaked. Does it have the qu sound? Squeaked. Yes, it does. So I'm going to write squeaked right here. I'm going to see it, say it, hear it, write it. I can use my finger to keep a pointer on it so I don't have to keep looking up and down. Or you can put something else there. Squeaked. S, Q, U, make sure the Q's a rule breaker. E, A, K, E, D. Squeaked. So it happened in the past. After the Q, always a U. There's my letters for the week. And suffix E, D. Squeaked. So I'm going to put a little mark by it. I use that word. Probably will not use it again, but I don't know. No, I might. There's lots of blanks here. So maybe we will use the words more than once. And then you're going to find the other word that has the qu sound in it. Then I come down here, write 4 words with the ch digraph. Ch. All right. 3. It has a digraph, but it's not the ch. Agree, dreamed, squeaked, reached, reached. There's ch, digraph, reached. So there's one of my words. So I'm going to write it right here. Let's see it, say it, hear it, write it. Ready, begin. R, E, A, C, H, E, D. So I got 1 of those 4. Now you have to find the other 3. 1, 2, 3. Listen for ch and look for that ch to write them in there. Digraph CH. 2 letters, 1 sound. All right, let's look at the next item, shall we? Write 3 words that, oh, here's an important one, end with the k sound. So they're going to end, that's a key word right there, end with the k sound. 3 of them. So let's go back up and look. 3, now that ends with E. Agree ends with E. Dreamed ends with a D. Squeaked ends with a T. What am I looking for? K. Reached, T. Speech, speech. Nope, digraph CH. Speak. Ooh, there's a K. Speak. K. That's the K sound, so I'm going to write it right here. Speak. Ready? See it, say it, hear it, write it. Speak. S, P is a rule breaker. Put it at the bottom. E, A, K, K. Excellent. All right, let's go on. We'll do 1 in each group and see what we come up with. I'm pretty sure you can handle these, but I'll go with you anyway. Write 2 words that end, there's our key word, with a long E sound. So long E. All right. So it's going to say E at the end. Are you ready? Let's go look at our words. 3. That ends with a long E. 3. E. I'm going to write it right there on my line. 3. So you say it, hear it, write it. Digraph. T-H, R, and 2 E's. 3. Yes. And you'll find the other one on your own. Ooh, write 2 homophone pairs. Now, like, well, I don't know what those are. So remember, words that sound, that's what phone is, it's sounds. So it sounds, you hear things on your phone, sound the same. So homophone or homophone, sound the same. So 2 words, blank and blank and blank and blank. They're going to sound the same. So let's go through and see if we find 2 words that sound the same. 3, agree, dreamed, squeaked. Well, none of those sound the same. Reached, speech, speak. Those are close. No. Cheetah, cheated. Those are close too, but no. Squealed, cleaned, meat, meat. Oh, wait a minute. Meat, meat. Sound exactly the same. Spelled a little different, but sound exactly the same. Meat and meat. Now let me give you a hint how you know which one is which. This meat is the meat you eat, and you can see it's got eat in it. E-A-T, meat. That's how I remembered it. Eat. I eat the meat at dinner or breakfast. And this meat is the other meat. I meet someone. But this one helps me remember so that I know what the other one means too. All right, so here are 2 words that sound exactly the same. They're homophones. So right here, maybe we should write that. Let me write this. I'm going to give myself a definition. Sound the same. So remember that. And we've got our first 2 pairs, meet and meet. So let's write it down. Meet, M-E-E-T, I meet someone, or I will meet my friends at the park. And the second one was meet, M-E-A-T. I will eat the meat. It's right there in the word. All right, now you have to find the second pair by yourself. I know you can do it. The next one only has 1, so I'm not going to do that one for you. 1 compound word. 2 words come together to make a new word, right? 2 smaller words come together to make 1 word. So we're going to look for that. 6 words that show past time or past tense. And what suffix does that? Suffix ed. So I'm going to look for suffix ed words. There's 6 of them. Let's see if we can find one. 3, agree. Oh, here's one. Dreamed. There's a suffix ed. I dreamed last night that I was chasing wild horses. I really did. It was a cool dream. Dreamed. So I'm going to write it right down here. And I'm going to put a marker by it so I can put my finger by it, do whatever so I can glance quickly and I don't have to spend time looking for it again. You can put a penny by it, you can put another pencil pointing to it, whoops, something that'll help you remember where it is, and then you don't have to spend time looking for it. So I'm just going to use my finger. Dreamed. See it, say it, hear it, write it. D-R-E-A-M, suffix E-D, dreamed. Remember, a suffix ed can make 3 sounds. D, t, id, d, t, id, d, t, id. Makes the D sound, the T sound, and the id sound. I found one of them. You have to find 5. All right. And then the very last thing says, of those 6 words, so of these 6 words, those 6 words, you're going to circle the word, there must only be one because there's no S, that ends with id, sound slashes. So it's going to sound like id, dreamed. That's not id, so I know it's not that one. So after you're finished writing all your ed words, say them and find the one that says id at the end. All right, guys. Shoo, that was a long page, but I know you can do it. So until next time, go out and do great works.